everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add caption on BeReal app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open BeReal application and make sure that you're logged into your account. In order to add a caption on BeReal, you'll first need to create your BeReal post. I have my BeReal post at the very top displayed on the screen. To add a caption, tap on Add a Caption option and type in the caption in the text box and tap on the blue send button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a caption right beneath your post on BeReal. That is all you need to do in order to add a caption on BeReal app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.